LoveTales by MarsQuad.
Hey family, MarsQuad is here. Welcome back to LoveTales, where we speak truth with love. Ladies, listen carefully. Falling in love is beautiful, but falling for the wrong man? That can break you. Not just your heart, but your confidence, your peace, and sometimes your future. So today, I'm breaking down 11 kinds of men every single woman must avoid if you want real love, not regret. This video might hurt, but it just might save your heart. Let's go.
LoveTales by MarsQuad.
The version they once knew.
You've been listening to LoveTales. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I'm MarsQuad.
And I am the Love Doctor.
1. The Potential Project. He's not where he should be emotionally, mentally, or spiritually. But you keep telling yourself, I see potential. Sis, you're not his mother. You're not his rehab. You're not his life coach. If a man isn't actively growing on his own, you're just going to waste years trying to build him while breaking yourself. 2. Mr. Emotionally Unavailable. He says all the right things, but when it's time to commit, open up, or connect deeply, he runs, he ghosts, comes back, then ghosts again. Ladies, if he's not emotionally available, you will always feel like you're chasing love that doesn't want to stay. 3. The half in, half out guy. He's with you, but not really. You never know where you stand. One day he's sweet, the next day he's cold. Relationships don't grow in confusion. You deserve consistency, not mind games. 4. The Jealous Controller. He doesn't like you going out. He gets mad if you don't pick his calls fast enough. He wants to know where you are all the time. That's not love. That's control. And control always turns toxic. Real love allows freedom, not fear. 5. The Good Time Guy. He's always fun, always floaty. But when you talk about the future, he disappears. He's not planning anything serious with you. He just enjoys your company until something new shows up. Sis, don't waste years entertaining someone who only sees you as a part-time vibe. 6. The Liar. He lies about where he was, who he was with, why he didn't call, even small things. If he lies to you once and you ignore it, he'll lie again and again until trust becomes a memory. You deserve honesty, not confusion. 7. Mr. I'm still healing. He's just out of a relationship, still talks about his ex, or tells you, I'm not ready, but I like you. Nope. Healing is sacred. Let him finish healing before he brings you into his emotional mess. You're not a backup plan or a rebound. 8. The Insecure Blamer. Every problem becomes your fault. He never takes responsibility. He gets defensive even when he's wrong. And somehow, you always end up apologizing for things you didn't even do. That's not a man. That's an emotional child. 9. The Financial Leech. He never has money. He always has excuses. But somehow, he still wants to date you. Ladies, love is not free. It takes effort, not just emotion. If he's not trying to grow financially or support himself, he will slowly drain you. 10. Mr. Double Life. He says he's single, but you never meet his family. His phone is always hidden. He disappears for days. He tells you, "I'm just private." No, ma'am, he's not private, he's hiding something. Maybe someone... Protect your peace. Don't play detective in a love story. 11. The Fix Me Man. This man is broken, and he knows it. He's angry, bitter, traumatized. He needs therapy, healing, Jesus something. But instead of fixing himself, he dumps his pain on you. And if you're not careful, you'll start shrinking to keep him calm. That's not love. That's emotional survival. Final word from MarsQuad. Listen closely, ladies. The kind of man you choose today will shape the kind of life you live tomorrow. Don't let loneliness make you settle for a lesson instead of a blessing. Know your worth, protect your heart, and wait for the kind of love that feels like peace, not punishment. Let's talk. Have you dated any of these types before? Be honest. Drop your story in the comments. Your story might save someone else. And if this video spoke to you, hit that like button, subscribe to LoveTales by MarsQuad, and share this with every queen who deserves better. Check out our next video coming up. Click on the screen now. I'll see you right there.
It comes when you're no longer the version they once knew.
You've been listening to LoveTales. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I'm MarsQuad.
And I am the Love Doctor.
Love Tales by MarsQuad.
I'm MarsQuad.